Hey everyone, I'm Luke Tarver, your field safety technician. Today's safety topic is benzene, a chemical we might encounter in some of our operations. Now, I know this isn't the most exciting subject, but it's extremely important because benzene can seriously affect your health if we don't handle it properly. So please stay focused throughout this whole presentation. Benzene is a clear liquid with a sweet smell. It is used to make other chemicals like plastics and synthetic fibers. You might run into it around fuel systems or refinery type processes. Even though you can't always see it or feel it, benzene is a very dangerous substance, especially if you breathe it in. Benzene doesn't just cause short term problems like dizziness or headaches, it also causes long term problems such as damage to your bone marrow, a low red blood cell count, and even cancer. This isn't meant to scare you, it's just a reminder that protecting yourself is very serious business. There are a few ways benzene can get into your body, such as skin contact, ingestion, and inhalation. So, the big one we need to watch out for is breathing it in. That's why we monitor our air levels and use proper ventilation and PPE. There are some different safety organizations that set exposure limits for how much benzene you can come in contact on the job site. ACGIH TLV is zero point 0.5 parts over an 8-hour shift. NIOSH rail is zero point 0.1 ppm. OSHA says 1 ppm for an 8-hour shift and no more than 5 ppm in any 15-minute window. So even a small amount in the air means we got to take precautions. To stay safe, we use a few methods such as engineer controls like ventilation and closed systems to keep vapors contained. We also use administrative controls like limiting how long you're near a source or rotating jobs. And of course, we use PPE. If you're working near benzene, make sure you wear the right gloves, safety glasses, and a proper respirator if you need it. If you ever feel lightheaded, weak, or dizzy on the job, report it immediately. Don't wait. Benzene is no joke, but if we follow procedures, use the right PPE, and stay alert, we can avoid these problems. If you ever feel unsure about a task involving chemicals, please stop and ask. I'd rather you ask a question than take a risk. Thanks for giving this your attention. If you have any questions, reach out to your supervisor or get in touch with me directly. Let's keep up the great work and let's do it safely.